Good morning, guys. So it is harvesting day in my African garden, and you are all welcome to my African garden. Today, we are going to be harvesting huckleberry or garden huckleberry, aka Njama as we commonly call it in Cameroon. This is my small backyard garden. Like I initially told you in the other video, that I have two backyard gardens, one smaller garden and a bigger one. So if we are in the smaller garden, and I've been having a lot of difficulties growing garden huckleberry. Not just that, but all my vegetables this year has been a struggle. For those of you who have been following me, you know my garden is always very fresh, very healthy, very unique. But this year, it's been so difficult. I think I had a disease that affected my garden, and it affected all my plants, my peppers, my tomatoes, my garden huckleberries, even my cucumbers were affected, and it has not been funny. But I'm still very grateful for the little one that I have at hand. And yeah, guys, I will not complain. The little that you plant can take you a long way. So that's what we have, and I cannot neglect it. We are out here this morning to harvest, and I'll just stop talking and let you watch us harvest. I'm here with my brother, so I'll just, allow you watch us. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer to the best of my ability. And also, if you know how to treat garden huckleberries when they get pale, like they lose their sizes, the leaves lose their sizes, please let me know in the comment section, because that is what has been going on with my plants. It happened to with my peppers, and they didn't do so well. The few that did well did really, really well, and we harvested a lot of habanero peppers. So please, if you know anything that can help my garden next year, or how I can treat the soil to avoid any infections, please let me know in the comment section. All right, guys, let me stay quiet and let you watch us harvest. All right, so guys, when I harvest my vegetables or any vegetable that I have in my garden, when I'm harvesting them, I make sure that I take out the weed at the same time. That way I don't have to come back, plan a day to come back and take out the weed from my garden, and it keeps the garden clean and neat. For me, I see it like the best and easiest way to keep my garden clean. Even though I don't have that time all the times I go to the garden to harvest, I don't always have that time to keep it clean. So the weeks that I'm not able to clean up while harvesting, I'll have to schedule another day where I go to the garden just to clean up. It is important for your garden to stay clean. That way you don't invite insects, some kind of animals who might think that it is a forest and it is okay for them to come and eat. So it's important to always keep your garden clean, and also it will help nourish your vegetables. It will help your vegetables to have enough room to grow healthy. All right, guys, so when you look at these vegetables, if you look closely, you're going to see that the leaves are not the same, right? Some are looking like potato leaves. So that is what I'm talking about. I don't know what that is, but if you know it, please leave a comment in the comment section so that I can do more research and know how to solve the problem next time. that is what I've been going through. And yeah, I just wanted to take time to explain exactly this one that I'm harvesting right now. They are very small in sizes as compared to the ones I harvested before. This is what our garden looks like after the harvest. Guys, look at that. It looks like nothing was there. So at this point, once we harvest like this in the morning, we pour some water, we get it well watered and get the soil wet so that it can regain its strength and grow again. Look at that, guys. See what we got. It looked very small when we started harvesting, but see, we got 2 large bowls from there. And now it is time to get it fixed and put it in the freezer, or eat it immediately, whichever one you want to do. You could just go ahead and prepare it and eat, or you could preserve it. If you have a lot, you could keep it for future use. Alright guys, so I'm going to make a separate video to show you how I prepare my huckleberries and preserve them in the freezer. Alright, that is it for today's video. Hope it was helpful. I hope you were able to learn something or just enjoy us watching. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it and subscribe if you are not a subscriber yet. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you and bye for now.